In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new improved system for recording chemical use. Let's start here on the home page, Start New, Operations, Use Chemicals. And this screen comes up. So I filled some of the easy details in, the start and finish time of the chemical use. I've selected employee as the operator of the chemical spreading system and chosen myself as the operator. And the place where the chemical is applied, I've just written home paddock. Now I need to select equipment used, and that's a drop down box. I'm using the sprayer and I'm going to use glyphosate. And let's just say I've used one and the unit is litres. Let's say I've used 1 litre. Now, here is the new option, which is, was a second chemical used? Yes, I'm saying yes in this case. And I just choose another chemical that I also used in the same spray, which, well, let's just say Roundup 50. That doesn't make sense. We're using glyphosate twice, but this is just for the purpose of this video, and I can also add a third chemical. In fact, in this case, I've added 5 different chemicals, which is the maximum number that the system can cope with. I don't think you should be using more than 5 chemicals in any given spray event in any case. So as you can see, I've entered all the chemicals, the quantity applied, and the units. My rate of application is 1,000 or 100 litres per hectare, let's say, just for the sake of it. And the size of the area applied, let's say was 1 hectare. Wind speed and direction is entered, and the weather details sunny. So that is actually all the information that the EPA insists on you entering into the system. Okay, so now we can just click submit. And the next task is to just complete. And of course, at the end of everything, we click route. Now remember, this could all be done on your phone. In fact, that is how I would encourage you to enter this via your phone into the system. So you finish your job and pull your phone out, log on to Turf Plus and enter it straight away. It's a very simple way of doing it. Now, where did that record go? So we go down into applications, and of course it's under the same record. It's under operations, chemical usage register, by date, and let's find it there. So it's the 2nd of the 26th of the 2nd, that's today's date. Now here's the record here. I just wanted to show you something. You have to go along there, like slide along the record to see all 5 chemicals that we used, okay? And if you ever need to provide a record of this for the EPA, for example, see I clicked on the blue box and it took us straight back to that record I created. If I click PDF here, I can I actually just create a PDF of that record. Here it is, and for example, you could attach that to an email or send it however you like. Okay, so that's how you enter a chemical into, or chemical use into the system.